Do you want to make more money from your farm or agribusiness? Then you have to stop thinking money is hiding somewhere you don't know. Money could be hiding where you match your feet, people you come around. It could be places you pass every day or things you look at in your farm. All these places could be where money is hiding. In this video, I will be showing you places you overlook, things you overlook, where money is hiding. Without wasting much time, let's just get straight into the video. First place where money is hiding is in your product and services. As a farmer, what are you selling? What are the farm produce you are selling? Is it your fresh tomatoes? Is it your fresh pepper, your corn, your yam, your cassava, okra, poultry bed, poultry feed, catfish, both dried, well packaged catfish? Name them. These are farm produce and products you can sell. You can as well brand this farm produce and sell. Like you have a fresh catfish to sell, you can go as far as drying it, then package it well and sell. You have your fresh pepper, you can dry it, grind it, package it and sell. You must not sell it fresh. You can also package your knowledge and sell. What do you know how to do best in your farm? Some people knows how to brood poultry beds. Many knows how to formulate chicken feed, pig feed, rabbit feed. Name them. A lot of people knows how to formulate feed. You can package your knowledge, package an ebook and sell to people who do not know how to do all these things. Not only selling of ebook, you can create video just as I am doing. You can as well organize seminars for new farmers and teach them what you know how to do best. These are best way you can sell your products and services as a farmer. The second place where money is hiding in your farm is in your skills and talent. As a farmer, what tasks in your farm can you perform very well without stress? You can stand and do it without consultation. Under stress, you can perform that task very well and deliver. What can you do best? You can teach people that you can do best. For example, you can be good in marketing your farm produce. This is what you know how to do best. You can do best in keeping farm record, accurate farm record. You can come up and teach people how to keep farm record, how to market their farm produce, especially new farmers. One problem that farmers have today is how to market and sell their produce. There are people who are very good in brooding. In fact, they brood with zero mortality. You can come up and teach people, teach new farmers, teach newbies how to brood perfectly well without mortality. All these your talents, you can monetize them and teach people and make more money from your farm. These are ways you can make much money from your farm. The third place where money is hiding in your farm is in problems. Yes, once there is problem, you need to seek solution for it. Teach new farmers how to solve a problem, how you solved an outbreak of disease in your farm, how you solve mortality rate. Let's assume you are into brooding, you brood the first time, second time, and you were having much mortality. You teach farmers how you brood with zero or few mortalities. You teach farmers how to raise their seedlings in nursery. These are things you can teach. These are problems most farmers face, especially new farmers. These are problems that they face. So you can come up and teach them how to solve this particular problem, how to solve that particular problem, and you monetize all these things. This is how you can make more money from your farm. Farming on its own has its own challenge. So any problem you encountered in your farm and solved it, it is good you teach others how you solved that problem. By doing this, you are making more money from your farm. This is the third way you can make money from your farm. The next place where money is hiding in your farm, which is the fourth place where money is hiding in your farm, is in your network. your family and friends, the people you keep around, the people you communicate with on social media handles. You shouldn't neglect any of them. You never can tell who will be buying any of your farm produce you are selling. Talk to family and friends, talk to people in your network, tell them this is what you do. Let them know that okay, this is what you do as a farmer. You are into pepper farming, you are into vegetable, anything you are doing as a farmer. It is good you tell your network, your friends, your family, your uncles, because you never can tell who is your potential customer. So it is good you let your network know this is what you are doing. Do not hesitate to let people know what you are doing. Every person you talk to is your potential customer, is a partner, even an investor. So do not hide whatsoever you are doing as a farmer from your network. The last but not the least, where money is hiding is in your ideas. Yes, what ideas do you have? Those ideas you have written down. Is it how to start a snail farm, how to start a vegetable farm, how to start a fish farm? What are those ideas? If you keep them lying there in your book, they can never generate money, but you have to put them into practice before it can generate money. Ideas on its own don't generate money, okay? So when you put them into practice, that is when it will generate money. As a new farmer, it is good you start small. I have been a fan of you starting small as a new person. Whatsoever idea you have, whatsoever what you want to do, start small. Learn from your mistake. Of course, you can't escape mistake. There must be mistake on the way. Then you learn from your mistakes, okay? So do not get afraid of making mistakes. Start small. Start small. That is the basis. Just start small. Do not allow your idea to end where you wrote it. It can never generate money over there. It is only when you put it to practice, execute it, then you can start making money from it. If you watch up to this very moment, it means you find value from this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, I will be leaving the links of my videos in the description section. Trust me, you are going to find value from those videos. Also, do well to drop your questions on the comment sections. I will answer those questions. I want us to communicate via the comment section. So drop your questions. I will be waiting. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Yes, thank you. Bye.